Hi guys, I'm Collector Gloria. Today I will show a perfume. I really like this perfume. I will hurry up and start unboxing. A white flower exalted with a dark accord, the first resolutely underground flower. Orange blossom, jasmine, and tuberose. It's interlaced with darker, more mysterious notes of vetiver and patchouli. Also, it's a generous, intense brightness that isn't afraid of subversion. In brief, unforgettable, intense, addictive, and fearlessly elegant. It smells very feminine. I really recommend this perfume. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe if you like my video. Next week, I will show a new perfume. See you in next video.